Hey guys, this is Sonakshi Gupta and I'm here to tell you about my English learning journey. Okay, I'm not fluent speaker. Okay, recently I'm not fluent speaker, and in this video I'm gonna make some mistake because I'm not fluent recently. So sorry for that. Okay, and I need your help to learning English more. Okay, uh, so this is my first video and I'm going to tell you about how to learn English. If we talk about my English learning journey, so I follow some rules by which I gain fluency, but not fluent. Okay, not too much fluent, but yeah, I think it would be average. Okay, so first I do this, um, reading, listening more things. Okay, I listen more things and I learn more things, and I feed information in our mind, and then I try to speak more. Okay, recently I have joined in a school where I am there as an English speaker teacher. Okay, English spoken teacher. So I'm going to tell you about how to speak in English with fluency. Actually, not in fluency. How to conversation with people, how to talk with others in English. How are you? The different ways to say how are you. So how do you do? How have you been? What's up? How's thing? Okay, that's the reason I want to gain more fluency. Okay, actually, I'm getting anxious now. It's my first video, and I know I'm gonna make so much mistakes. So sorry for that. Okay, I'm really sorry. And it is just like my practice view. Okay, my opinion and my journey. Yeah, I wanna share with you my journey, English learning journey. I'm a teacher, as I told you. I'm a teacher. As an English spoken teacher. Okay, English spoken, not fluency, but yeah, I can teach the students how to speak English and how to conversation with people. Okay, little conversation, how are you, where are you from, and some like some phrasal verbs I know, phrasal verbs I have learned from the Vidushi Kaushik videos. Okay, so just if we talk about my English learning journey, so I do listening videos and all of the contents from the YouTubes. Always I listen in English. Okay, and I read more, especially the newspaper, Hindu editorial newspaper, because it is the toughest newspaper to read. So but I think the Hindu editorial newspaper would be perfect. Okay, if you read the newspaper, if you understand this newspaper, then you can gain fluency and you can understand, you can figure it out everything. Okay, whatever you have. Okay, and I just want to say that just speak off whatever comes in your mind, just speak off. Don't think, okay, I made mistake, and what did I do. Okay, that's wrong, so don't think this. Okay, uh, first I would like to say you, first you should start thinking English. Okay, thinking how to think English. Actually, grammar is the base. Okay, but that's not mean you do not need to more focus on the grammar. Okay, when you listen more things in English, when you speak or when you mimic more things, then automatically it becomes safe in your mind. Okay, are you getting my point? Is it clear now? Okay, so I think you need to listen more. I think you need to speak more. After that, you touch on grammar. Okay, grammar portion, tenses and modal verbs, I think it would be base. Okay, and it's gonna be perfect. Okay, it's gonna be perfect, and don't have to be rushed, don't have to be increasing yourself, just creep up gradually. Okay, just creep up gradually. Okay, actually I was doing that. I was thinking more in English, like when I was wondering here and there, then, oh, where's my phone, where's my phone. Okay, I kept here, where's my phone, have you seen, where's my phone. I'm just talking to myself in English. Okay, and I realized that, I analyzed that, how to improve myself. Okay, actually, I am from a small district like Basti. So I face more difficulties because there is no English environment. Okay, if we talk about my family, so my mother is educated, and my father is not more educated. Okay, he is less educated than my mother, but I know my mother my mother has a good environment of the education. That's why I am here. And first you have to be crazy of English. Okay, you have to be crazy, and I am passionate in English. Okay, I want to learning new more things, and I am crazy of learning new more English, like vocabularies, phrasal verbs, and how the way to attract your voice. Okay, so this is all of the videos. And first I think you need to be listen more. Okay, listen like a short video. Firstly I think you yeah, you're gonna be bored by watching same videos, but no, don't go bored. Okay, just you have to be mimic. Okay, what mimic? Imitate the words with expressions. Okay, along with expressions you have to be mimic. When you started mimicking, then your tongues yeah, your tongues automatically saved, automatically feed in your mind that you have to be speak. Okay, and you should speak, you can speak. Okay, so when you start mimic, so it's gonna be easy for you, it's gonna be effortless for you. Okay, I think English is not tough language, and English is isn't seem as hard as it seemed to be. Okay, so I think it is just a language, and treat as a language, not subject. Okay, and so I think that will enough for my first video. Okay, if I made any mistake, sorry for that. Okay, and just I need your help. Okay, I want to learn new more things. If you know any new more things, just comment below. Okay, and just told me this is wrong, and this is the correct way. Okay, and so this is my first journey of the learning English. So please, I need your support. So thank you, and sorry for made mistake. Okay, thank you, bye guys.